Hello friends, now I am going to show you the step of creating new post on any forum. Okay, so these are the name of the forums. For example, how to email marketing, accounting and finance, lifestyle, health and fitness, WordPress, Blogger. These are all the forums, right? And these help videos I am posting in a forum help for user must read, right? My target is to create more and more help videos and to post all the helping videos on this forum. Okay, so I have already logged as an user here. Now I want to create a new post, suppose on how to. So I will click here. Very simple. Here the new post or new topic tab will appear on the top left corner and also on the bottom left corner. You can click here. Suppose I click on the new topic. Now I am going to create a subject line. Suppose test post subject. Okay, and here I want to write with a background. Suppose background. Friends, I am going to show you the one BB code what I have applied here. You just click here and you write the text inside this code. Now what you have to do, just here write the color code of the color which you want as a background. Suppose I am showing you, I am taking the color from here. Just I am showing you, friend. Here is the color picker code. Suppose I took this color, this one, right, as a background. Copy this and just write here, paste the color code and click on preview. Nice, it is looking with a background with the color what I have chosen from the color picker tools. Okay, so I wanted to show you in this video how to post a new topic, and also want to show something where you can decorate your post, right, with the backgrounds. And there is the code. Suppose you want to write some codes. I will click here. I will write the code here. Suppose P class my class. Suppose this is the name of the class that I used here. Just for the example I am showing all this. Okay, suppose this is a code what I want to show here in this post. So click on the preview. So this will appear like this. There's something with the different color, the green color, and it will be very different in look. And the one of the most benefit you will get here, just click this tab to select all this. Suppose this code is of 15 lines or 100 lines, then with one click you can select all the code here. So this will help the users to select the code and copy the code. Okay friend, so there are the many BB codes here you can apply. Here is the bold. Suppose I want to write bold. Okay, so please don't write first, just click on the BB code, again write inside the bracket, this bracket. Okay, and click on the preview. You will get the preview. Okay, it is appearing in bold. Okay friend, so in this way you can create, and just click on submit. Finally this I am clicking on submit. This post has already been created. Now I am going to that post and insert post. this is test post what I have created just right now. Okay friend, so this was a video how to create a new post or new topics on this forum or any of the forum, and you can also jump on any of the forum from here, right? Suppose you want to go to the WordPress forum, click on the WordPress. Here suppose you want to go to the email marketing forum, click on the email. So the navigation is very nice, I have made it. And here is the frequently asked question, you can also choose. There are so many helpful answers, short answer here I have given. In this way you can create a new post. Okay friends, thank you.